Parkside 20 volt cordless pruner. Doesn't come with battery, doesn't come with charger, it's just the tool itself. As usual, it has Parkside's 3-year warranty, which I gotta be honest is very good, because I had a battery that went that didn't work, basically stopped working, and fair dues to Parkside, I contacted them online. I had a new battery within a week. So I have used their warranty and I got to vouch for it. It's really good. When you get yours, you'll have a cable tie seal by there from Lidl's. If there's no cable tie seal on there, I would suggest not buying it because somebody has opened it. But yeah, you will have a cable tie seal by there. I have removed this as I checked it quickly before doing the video. Inside you have your usual instructions that actually I never use, but I had to on this occasion. I'll tell you about that in a minute. You have a 4mm Allen key with a Phillips head on that side and a little spanner. What I do really like about Parkside cases, gives you enough room to put the tool inside with a battery attached. Even a 4 amp-hour battery would fit in there, and also room for your charger. For £22, this is an absolute bargain. You look at the DeWalt ones and they're like £120, and even the Makita come to that. And for casual DIY use, you know, bit of gardening, it's a brushed motor. Obviously you're not going to get a brushless for this kind of price, I don't think. I haven't seen one anyway. But yeah, nice little case, tops it off. How they can make this stuff for such little price is beyond me, but I'm not complaining, it's cheaper for us. So yeah, let's get on with the video. A protective case that simply unclips. Place the battery on as normal. Switch the unit on, so you see a green light. But what you'll notice now, nothing works. And I was quite confused with that to start with. I thought, what's going on? But I read the manual, and what you need to do is pull the trigger twice within half a second. And then it'll beep and it'll work. And to close the jaws again, you just hold the trigger, I think it's for about 4 seconds. Again, you will hear a beep, and now the jaws are closed, so you can put your case back on for storage. But yeah, build quality feels really good. I'll take the battery off 1 second, switch it off first. Build quality seems really good. This was only £22 in Lidl's in the UK. Nice rubberized grip. One thing as well, if you don't have any Parkside batteries, you can buy these adapters off eBay. They are pretty cheap, about, I think I paid about £10, £11. That will allow you to use, in my case, DeWalt batteries. There we go. Oh, it would help if I switched it on first. As you can see, it works. So that's just a little thing, because I gotta be honest, when I used to see Parkside tools in Lidl's, I used to avoid them because I didn't want to go down the route of having another battery system. So I bought the adapter to use DeWalt batteries. Works fine with all my Parkside tools. But then Parkside had an offer on back, I don't know, a few months ago, where you could buy one battery, get one free. So I bought a couple of batteries basically, because they were cheap enough. So anyway, back to the tool review. But like I said, handy little tip, if you don't want to go down the road of buying Parkside batteries, They also do these adapters for Makita batteries to Parkside, Milwaukee to Parkside, virtually any well-known brand to Parkside. And also that's a DeWalt to Hynel adapter. We'll start off with the smallest branch first. Absolutely no problem, that's to be expected. That is only about 8 millimeters, so no problem there. Now we will try Now we will try 15 millimeters. Absolutely no problem with 15 millimeters. I'll try this piece of plywood, which is 20 mil by 25 mil. Well, that's impressive, absolutely no problem. Even cuts it fully, the full length of the jaws. Doesn't have any problem at all with that. So would I recommend this tool? Absolutely. For £22, it's a steal. Plenty of power, and as you've seen in the video, only a 2 amp battery. And it's working absolutely fine. It's flying through everything. So yeah, definitely recommended for just £22 and 3 years warranty. If you like the video, please leave a like. Please subscribe, as I'm so close to getting 2,000 subscribers and would love to achieve that by Christmas with your help. And hopefully I will see you on the next video. Thank you.